special weather statement issued at 6:37 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pacific County and southwestern Washington until 7 a.m. At 6:36 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Bay Center, Oregon, 19 miles southeast of Westport, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Raymond, South Bend, Bay Center, and Tuckland. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 38 and 66. State Route 6 between mile markers 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.